All right, so I thought I would give y'all a little update on this I think it's pronounced Aper, pool vacuum that I've got here. As you can see, I've got it in the pool right now, cleaning away. I do not have, like, my pools are pretty standard size for out here in Arizona. Like, it's one of the regular 5-footers that is not too large, but also not a tiny one. It takes this guy, in order to get everything done, so in other words, in order to get the bottom, the sides, and the upper thing, or the upper walls, the trim line done on it, it would take it 3 passes to do it, which means that it's going to need to be charged 3 times. There's a little hook that they give you that you put on your pole that you can fish him out with. He's not that heavy. Like, I don't struggle. I'm a girl. I'm you know, like 130 pounds. I do not struggle. I'm not young either, but I do not struggle to get this thing in or out of the pool. It's not hard at all for me. I have my charger set up on the patio. I just pop it on there and it works just fine. So, but it does a really good job. It does clean. It's got 2 sizes of like filter things in there. So if you don't have like a massive amount of stuff in your pool, then you would use just the, you'd be able to use the fine mesh and get the like silt and the gunk and things like that out of it. But if you need to have like leaves and stuff, then it has a leaf basket in it as well. Because you can see it doesn't actually hook to a hose or anything else. It kind of works like, you know, like the one you do in your living room. If you've got a, you know, if you have a Roomba or what have you, it's kind of like that, which is why mine I call Pumbaa. But yeah, it actually works just fine. I have had no complaints about it so far. It cleans well, keeps me from needing the pool guy as much. And yeah, gets a nice clean pool. Obviously we just had a dust storm last night, so it's not looking so clean right now, but yeah, there you go.